Hello students! This is what I'm about to eat right now and I'm so excited. Check this out, vegan pizza. This is vegan meat, vegan cheese. You've got all kinds of veggies on there. You've got tomato, you've got some onions and some olives, green peppers, some zucchini. It's all just the same stuff as any other pizza. So you can see that you can also eat vegan pizza. Why wouldn't you? Why pay for murder if you don't have to? Look at this. It's all juicy. There's some mushrooms there. This vegan sausage here tastes so good. It's all spicy. So all you do is in your own neighborhood, just Google vegan pizza and you will get some. There's an app that you can go to that's called Happy Cow, and they will tell you all the names of the different places around the world that have healthy vegan food. My dog Bella is over there having a great time. She's playing in the water. My mother-in-law is keeping an eye on her there. And we get to sit here and have a delicious lunch on this beautiful day here in Montreal, Canada. In the comment section, right where you are in the world. And also let me know, do you ever get vegan pizza? What do you like to get on it? Where do you order it from? Where are you in the world? Like, which cities are you in? I'm so curious as to where everybody comes from. There are so many amazing vegans around the world. And I know so many of you who think that being vegan is crazy, but it's really not. There can be dogs that are vegan, and there are several here in this park playing. And very many humans around the planet are vegan. My own doctor is vegan. He's been vegan for many years. He wasn't before until he started doing research. He's vegan because he thinks it's good for his health. I'm vegan because I think it's good for the animals. Some people become vegan because they find out it's the best thing for the environment. Whatever way you end up being vegan, the important thing is that you stop hurting animals. You stop paying for their exploitation. Chickens, cows, pigs, lambs, all these animals want to live. None of them want to be harmed. Just like you, they want to play. They want to have a good life. You can see the dogs in the water there in the distance, and you cannot tell which ones are vegan. It's impossible to tell because they all look the same. So, let me get back to my pizza. Thanks a lot for watching. I wish that you could be here with me and have a slice. But in the meantime, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and for pressing the notification bell. Thank you to everyone who's been supportive of me and my work here on YouTube. Thank you to everybody who's moderating and who's helping to make sure that people aren't too mean. To those of you who are mean on purpose, try to think about why you do that. Why would you deliberately try to hurt an animal rights activist? What's in you that makes you do that? Why not be kind? Why not have compassion? Why not have empathy? Treat others the way you want to be treated. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.